times, then after your third out, chug this whole thing. Because what happens is the chugging motion, because you know how you're...
3 times you said?
Yeah, well, just way out, all the way in, way out.
Right out.
After the third out, chug this whole thing, because your esophagus is going to start making that swallowing thing, and you're going to have enough oxygen in you for your muscles to actually react well, and that esophagus motion is going to hit your trachea, and that's going to reset your system. It's like resetting your computer. I know you are. All right, all the way up.
Wait.
All the way up, like.
No, wait.
All the way in.
Alright.
All the way up.
So in and out 3 times.
Yeah. All the way up. No, it's still going to happen now. What you're doing is you're filling your blood with oxygen. Chug it, chug it, chug it. And gulp. Gulp as much as possible. You don't stop till you're done. Don't stop till you're done. Don't stop till you're done. I'll fuck it up. You can't breathe until you're done.
I fucked it up. Didn't I?
I don't know. Let's see.
Oh, just my hiccups are straight going, right?
I don't know. Are they? Are they, Kyle?
Yep.
Are they gone?
Yes, they are.
It's amazing!
Dude, you see that?
Oh, you son of a
This
bitch!
is
Get that
not-
shit out of here.